Well, hey guys, Mark here, and today we're going to be taking a look at the iSiNWHEEL U4 folding electric bike. Stay tuned. Okay, let's just run through all the specifications on this lovely little folding. It's sort of like a MIDI size sort of electric bike. So I just checked the price this morning on these. These are currently £470. I will put a link in the description for you. Came very well boxed, super easy to put together. Took me literally about 15 minutes. Nut and bolt check, pump the tyres up to about 35 psi, and then you're good to go. A single speed on this, so no gears. Comes with a 250 watt motor, peaks at 500 watts. Battery on this is a 36 volt 10.4 amp hour battery, which you can remove. I'll show you that in a minute. It comes in at 15.5 miles an hour, which can be unlocked to about 18 miles an hour. So the good thing with this battery, it's removable, so there's a little latch under the seat here that you push up, that flips the seat up. Push the key and turn it anti-clockwise, that releases the battery. Just get hold of the handle here, give it a good firm pull, it comes out. So quite a decent sized battery on this, so it's going to give you a good range. To install, it's just simply the reverse, slide it down and in till it clicks, and then turn the key and you're good to go again. It's got about a 50-mile maximum range. That's if you're going to be using it on power assist level 1. More likely about 30 miles if you're using the power of this. It does come with a throttle in the box, so you can fit that if you like. Tyres and wheels, we've got 16 by 2.5. Sort of a semi sort of knobbly tyre. You could do a little bit of light tracks and trails on it. For the price, nice build quality. I say it's a folding design. I'll show you in a minute. It folds there and then the bars fold down as well. Little front suspension there. I must say, for a small bike, it does ride exceptionally well. Very smooth riding. So to fold this down, pull the lever out there, pull that there, and that breaks the bike there. And then also same sort of thing on the front here. Pull that up. Slide it back, that releases the release bolt, so that folds down like so, and then you can fold it like that, and then you could easily put that in the back of your car and it lifts quite easily, quite light. Just cable disc brakes on this, but they stop really well. So to turn it on, hold the mode button for a few seconds, powers up the nice little LCD display there showing you your power levels 1, 2 and 3. Your battery, you've got your odometer, trip and your speedo. Nice little bell. Comes with a front light and a rear light, and that's battery powered. Seat goes down quite a long way on this, so I think if you were about 5'2", you'd be okay on this, right up to well over 6 foot tall. As I say, as a reference, I'm 5'7" tall, 170 centimetres. I've got a 30-inch inside leg, and this bike fits me well. Just take a quick look at me on the bike, then you can compare that for yourself. So as I said, I'm 5'7" with a 30-inch inside leg. Fits me really nicely, exceptionally light, only weighs in at about 20 kilos. Plenty of room here, so if you were a lot taller than me, you'd fit this fine, and the seat goes right down at least another 6 inches, so I think sort of 5'2", you'd be fine on this. But very, very comfortable, very light. So nice little sort of city commuter, I would say. Comes in black and a white. But if you're sort of after a small bike that will fit into the back of your car to do some sort of shopping, commuting, for the price, this is very good value, and it zips along really well as well. Very, very comfortable seat. Bars are adjustable. Nice grips for your palms. I say all this folds as well. Convenient rear rack to put a bag on or some panniers. So yeah, a very convenient little e-bike. Anyway, let's take it for a test ride. Okay, so we're just down here at Poole Harbour. Nice little smooth cycleway. Let's just see how the little U4 handles this. So very easy to get on board, very comfortable seat, little tiny bars, but that's what you expect on a sort of a mini city bike like this. Nice grip, so you turn it on, hold the button there for a few seconds. So it defaults to no assist, so we'll just start it off in assist level 1. So cut the turns and there's the power, just gentle amount of power, top speed about 6 miles an hour, but it's just helping me a little bit. So into 2 now, that's better. 7 or 8 miles an hour, that's where you're going to get quite a good range out of it. So into the maximum assist level 3, now we're really moving now. So quickly up to about 16 miles an hour, no problem at all. The bike is incredibly smooth and quiet. There's absolutely no shakes, rattles or anything from this. It's very impressive. And it may only have limited suspension up front, but it still rides very, very well. These little wheels make for super quick steering, so that's great. Really, really nice little bike to ride. So here we are on a little bit of a off-road, light track and trail, and even though it's got small wheels with limited suspension, the little U4 is still more than capable. It's actually quite a smooth ride, so no problems if you wanted to do a little bit of light tracks and trails on this. Let's just see what it's like up this little hill. This is about a 20% hill, 1 in 5. I got it in assist level 3. God, that's very easy. I'm only giving it about 20% power from my legs, so that's got a very good hill climbing ability. Straight up there, no problem at all. So it may be a small bike, but it's still got plenty of power to climb. So just leveled off a bit now. Right, climbing up again now. It's steeper than it looks, this hill. So yeah, look at that. Absolutely whizzing up here, no problem. 12, 13 miles an hour. So 5 stars for the U4 for hill climbing ability. That's very impressive. We'll just try a brake test out, front and rear, for about 15 miles an hour. There we go. Yep, worked very well. They're actually very good for cable brakes. Nice little bell. But it's a very charming little bike to ride. It's got a nice little bit of power. It climbs hills well. So if you needed to ride to work, do some commuting with a little bag on the back, this would be absolutely ideal. This is whipping along at the moment, 16 miles an hour, no problem at all. Just drop it down to assist level 2. Still sort of like about 10 miles an hour. Very, very relaxing little bike. Back up to assist level 3, and there's that power. So front and back brakes bedding in nicely. But what impresses me is how comfortable it is. It zips along well, and it's very, very quiet. You can't hear the motor at all out the back. It's absolutely brilliant. And it darts about. It's really nimble. So if you were in traffic going through a city, this would be absolutely ideal as like an urban commuter. Lights front and rear. Very good. quite light if you have to carry it somewhere. So anyway, let's just let's have a final look round here, shall we? So there you have it, guys, the iSiNWHEEL U4, a little sort of midi size, I would call it, folding electric bike, perfect for the urban environment or commuting, that sort of thing. So very, very comfortable. That seat is a joy. So it's got a little lever under here that you just push to flip the seat up to remove that battery. Lots of adjustment on the seat there, so sort of 5'2" to well over 6 foot person. Adjustable bars for height, which can be folded there, and there's your folding mechanism for the bike itself. Little wheels, but they roll really well, very quiet, very smooth running. It's a nippy little bike, great fun to ride. Lights front and rear, which is great. I mean, for the money, it's decent build quality. Rear rack there for putting your bag on. Those cable operated disc brakes work very well, that's great. So for this sort of size of bike, it's got a decent sized battery, it's going to give you a good range. It's got decent performance, it whips along nicely at about 16 miles an hour, and it's got very good hill climbing ability as well. It's quite a smooth runner, limited suspension, but it still provides a smooth ride. The crank is very smooth running. I say there's no squeaks, rattles or anything from this bike, so that's pretty impressive. So there you are, guys, the iSiNWHEEL U4, a perfect little bike for city commuting. So please post your comments down below, give me a like, share and subscribe. Let me know what you think about this little e-bike, and I'll catch you again in a week or so for another review. Ride safe, all the best, and bye for now.